Are you tired of feeling like your money has a mind of its own, disappearing faster than a free sample at a supermarket? Do you dream of a world where every dollar has a purpose, where financial clarity replaces confusion, and where you're truly in control of your financial destiny? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing your money can feel like an uphill battle. Between bills, subscriptions, savings goals, and unexpected expenses, it's easy to lose track. That's where personal finance apps come in, promising to be your digital financial guru, guiding you toward monetary mastery. But with so many options flooding the market, how do you choose the right one? It's a question that plagues countless individuals seeking financial peace of mind. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between two of the most popular contenders in the personal finance app arena, Rocket Money and Simplifi. Both aim to revolutionize how you manage your money, but they approach this challenge from different angles, offering unique features and philosophies. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from their core functionalities and pricing to their user experience and unique selling points, so you can confidently decide which one is the best fit for your financial journey. Let's set the stage. The landscape of personal finance has evolved dramatically. Gone are the days of tedious manual ledger entries and overflowing shoeboxes of receipts. Modern apps leverage technology to connect directly to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios, offering a real-time, holistic view of your financial life. They automate categorization, provide insightful reports, and even help you identify opportunities to save or invest. The goal is to make financial management less of a chore and more of an empowering experience. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand that best is subjective. What works for one person might not work for another. Your ideal app depends on your specific financial habits, goals, and even your personality. Are you someone who thrives on meticulous budgeting, or do you prefer a more hands-off approach? Do you have a ton of subscriptions you want to track, or is investment tracking your primary concern? Keep these questions in mind as we explore Rocket Money and Simplifi. First up, let's talk about Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill. Rocket Money has built a reputation for being a champion of cost-cutting. Its primary appeal lies in its aggressive approach to identifying and managing subscriptions and negotiating bills. Imagine this: you sign up for a free trial of a streaming service, forget about it, and months later, you're still paying for it. Or maybe your internet bill keeps creeping up, but you never have the time or energy to call your provider and negotiate. This is where Rocket Money shines. It automatically scans your linked accounts to find all your recurring subscriptions and bills. Not only does it show them to you in one clear place, but for premium users, it also offers a concierge cancellation service. They'll actually call and cancel those unwanted subscriptions for you. This feature alone has saved countless users a significant amount of money and a lot of headaches. Beyond subscription management, Rocket Money also boasts a highly touted bill negotiation service. If you're a premium user, their specialists will contact your service providers, like your internet, cable, or phone company, and try to negotiate lower rates on your behalf. If they succeed, Rocket Money takes a percentage of your first year's savings, typically between 35% and 60%. While this fee might seem steep to some, for those who dread negotiation or simply don't have the time, it can be a valuable service that pays for itself. But Rocket Money isn't just about cutting costs. It offers a comprehensive suite of financial management tools. The free version allows you to link multiple accounts, track your spending, and get balance alerts. This is great for basic financial oversight. However, to unlock its full power, including the subscription cancellation assistance, automated savings plans, net worth tracking, unlimited budgets, and credit score monitoring, you'll need the premium membership. The unique aspect of Rocket Money's premium pricing is its flexibility. You can choose your monthly price within a range, typically $6 to $12. This pay-what-you-think-it's-worth model can be appealing, allowing users to select a price that fits their budget. User reviews for Rocket Money often highlight its effectiveness in identifying and canceling subscriptions, with many praising the convenience of the bill negotiation service. Users appreciate the clear dashboard that provides a snapshot of their finances and helps them understand their spending habits. However, some users have expressed concerns about the bill negotiation fee, feeling it's a bit high, and there have been occasional reports of account linking issues with certain smaller financial institutions. Security is, of course, a major concern with any financial app. Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption and partners with Plaid to protect your data, and they state they do not sell your financial information. Now, let's turn our attention to Simplifi, a product from the long-standing financial software company, Quicken. Simplifi positions itself as a powerfully simple way to stay on top of your finances, focusing on holistic budgeting, saving, and investment tracking. Simplifi's core strength lies in its intelligent spending plan. Unlike traditional rigid budgeting methods, Simplifi's spending plan is designed to be flexible and adaptive. It starts with your monthly income, subtracts your bills and recurring subscriptions, and then generates a personalized spending plan that automatically adjusts as you spend throughout the month. This means you don't have to micromanage every single category if you don't want to, making it ideal for those who prefer a more streamlined approach to budgeting. You can also set up planned spending for non-bill necessities and create savings goals, making it easy to see how much you have left to spend each day. Simplifi offers a clean, intuitive interface that many users find easy to navigate. Its dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your finances, including top-line balances, net worth, recent spending, upcoming payments, and a snapshot of your spending plan. It automatically categorizes transactions, and while no system is perfect, Simplifi allows for easy recategorization and the ability to mark expected refunds, a unique and helpful feature. For those interested in investments, Simplifi provides tools for tracking performance over time, cost basis, and real-time quotes, giving you a clearer picture of your overall financial health. It also offers projected cash flows and real-time alerts to keep you informed of important financial events. In terms of pricing, Simplifi generally has a more straightforward subscription model. It typically costs around $2.99 per month when billed annually, or $5.99 per month for a monthly subscription. Compared to Rocket Money's flexible premium pricing, Simplifi offers a more predictable and generally lower cost, particularly for annual plans. Simplifi also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it out with less risk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.